Hello, my name is Paul Brampton. I'm a partner at IBB Solicitors. I'm also the head of construction and engineering. The lawyer's role in the procurement process depends on who the lawyer is acting for. Our clients include banks and funds, owners of development land and development companies, main contractors, and construction professionals. Construction and engineering projects are highly risky undertakings. Good procurement will properly consider, manage, and allocate those risks. We regularly advise on the use of the standard forms of contract. The quality of the standard forms varies, but they're a good starting point because the parties are often familiar with them. It's usually advisable, however, to amend the standard forms to respond to the unique nature of each project and to properly allocate risk between the parties. It's usually just the main contract that will be based on a standard form, and on occasion professional forms of appointment can be based on standard forms too. Other types of construction contract will often be drafted by specialist construction and engineering solicitors acting for the various parties involved. Although these aren't standard forms as such, experienced construction and engineering practitioners will know all about the current market norms, so most well-drafted contracts will be very similar in content. The types of contract that a construction and engineering solicitor would draft are almost too numerous to mention, but they might include development agreements, collateral warranties and third-party rights clauses, performance bonds, third-party guarantees, escrow agreements, copyright licenses, access licenses, novation agreements, as well as, of course, amending standard forms of contract to respond to the requirements of each project and to properly allocate risk. We work closely with colleagues in IBB's real estate, residential development and commercial teams in relation to the preparation and negotiation of other forms of contract which have a bearing on the construction process, such as agreements relating to the sale, purchase and letting of land, agreements for the provision of power and sustainable energy including Escrow agreements, planning agreements including Section 106 agreements, and of course funding agreements. If you would like further information, please contact me, Paul Brampton, or one of the other construction and engineering lawyers here at IBB Solicitors.